So, today I will be reviewing on two of these One Piece squishies. I have got these two of these squishies from my friends. And yeah, so the name of this is Squishy of the One Piece. Squishy, this is called Squishy because look what it do. I will press in and it will go in. And that is why we call it Squishy. I don't typically know what is this thing, but it is with a hat and a thingy. And yeah, this is for the first one, and the second one is this one, a searcher or a explorer. As you can see with this, it is a squishy too. With the hat. And yeah, so bye guys.